While it is uncommon for adults to contemplate their parents' thoughts, the question of our own value persists, albeit redirected toward modern authorities like media and social media. In this unforgiving arena, individuals plagued by self-doubt seek reassurance and validation, implicitly asking questions like, "Do I deserve to exist? Or am I beautiful or respectable enough?" Unfortunately, social media, built upon the tribulations of the individual, rarely provides a reliable affirmative answer. These self-doubters find themselves trapped in an endless cycle of seeking reassurance whenever their spirits plummet, turning to their phones for permission to continue. If this resonates with us, we should be curious about and perhaps envious of those who enjoy freedom from such anxieties.
An important lesson I've gleaned is that highly effective individuals and teams in any field share a common practice that we can all adopt. They deliberately alternate between two distinct zones, the learning zone and the performance zone. The learning zone is when their primary objective is improvement, engaging in activities designed to enhance their skills. They focus on areas they have not yet mastered, fully expecting to make mistakes and viewing them as opportunities for learning. Conversely, the performance zone is when they strive to execute tasks to the best of their ability. Here, they concentrate on their existing mastery, aiming to minimize mistakes.
The process of feeling full begins when food travels from your mouth to your esophagus and reaches your stomach, gradually filling it up. This causes the stomach's muscular wall to stretch, expanding like a balloon. Nerves wrapped around the stomach wall detect this stretching and send signals through the vagus nerve to the brainstem and hypothalamus, which are the main regions controlling food intake. However, the brain uses more than just the stomach's stretching to sense fullness. Hormones produced by endocrine cells in your digestive system also play a role. These hormones respond to specific nutrients in your gut and bloodstream, gradually increasing as you digest food.
In 2019, Zurich's Crowther Lab conducted a study analyzing satellite images of global tree cover. By incorporating climate and soil data and excluding areas used by humans, they found that the Earth could potentially support almost 1 billion hectares of additional forest, equivalent to 1.2 trillion trees. This unexpected finding prompted further research. Updated estimates suggest that restored ecosystems could capture 100 to 200 billion tons of carbon, accounting for more than 1/6 of human carbon emissions. 6 countries hold over half of the potential forest canopy for restoration projects. This research also provides insights for existing initiatives like the Bond Challenge, which aims to restore 350 million hectares of forest by 2030.
The lack of mental and emotional well-being among Native Alaskans is a significant social issue faced by the state of Alaska. It is unfortunate that many Native Americans across the country are living in poor conditions, and this is especially true for Native Alaskans. Entire villages are plagued by the absence of mental and emotional well-being, resulting in continued poor physical and mental health. Alcohol abuse, domestic violence, homicides, and suicides are distressingly prevalent among them, leading to the disintegration of families. It is tragic to witness the abuse and inadequate education of many children, who themselves resort to alcohol and substances.
The process of converting facts into memories involves 3 key steps. First, there is acquisition, where new information is encountered, activating specific brain areas corresponding to sensory experiences. To form lasting memories, these experiences must be consolidated by the hippocampus, influenced by the amygdala, which prioritizes emotionally significant encounters. The hippocampus then encodes memories by strengthening synaptic connections formed during the initial sensory experience. Once encoded, memories can be recalled or retrieved later. Memories are distributed throughout the brain, with the prefrontal cortex likely signaling their retrieval. How does stress impact these stages?